YouTube! What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have been super busy lately. It is really hard to sit down and record videos for you guys from hotel rooms, unfortunately. Sometimes I travel with my gear to record, sometimes I don't travel, sometimes I want to travel light. I'm not going for as long. It just all depends, and I have been falling behind, and I am really sorry for that. But I want to come to you guys today, show you some upgrades we got in the little previs studio here. We got a lot of stuff going on. I upgraded to multiple touchscreen monitors. I upgraded to a full-size monitor so we can do all of our previs and we can see everything. Right now I am just using GrandMA3, as you can see, but I do plan on getting Depends soon. I am super excited to make that transition. I have seen a lot of people using Depends and it looks like an awesome software. But the final part of the studio that I want to show you guys today, the final upgrade, after many years of programming on a laptop, learning the MA command codes on a laptop, doing what I need to do on a laptop, I figured that it's time to transition into something a little bigger to make my life easier and to make some awesome content for you guys. So what I'm bringing to you guys today is the GrandMA3 Command Wing. We upgraded. I have been looking to upgrade for a while now. It has been a decision of mine that I finally made. For a long time, guys, I was going into previs studios in and out of production houses using their gear. It was awesome. I appreciate all the people that have let me use their gear, and those people have made my life a lot easier. But I do a lot of programming at home as well, and I realized it takes me so much longer to do certain things on the laptop than it does on the console, and I wanted my workflow to represent that, so we finally upgraded. And originally, guys, this was supposed to be some long, elaborate unboxing video, but unfortunately, the box beat my ass. So, we decided not to do an unboxing video. We're just going to do a product review video, and we're going to go over the GrandMA3 Command Wing. Now, so far, I love it. It's a lot heavier. It's a lot bulkier than I expected it to be. I've used a lot of GrandMA2 command wings in my time programming on them, and they didn't feel like a great representation of the console. It just felt like its own standalone unit that you were using, and it was great to have, but it didn't represent the feeling of being on a console. The GrandMA3 Command Wing completely changes that. It feels like someone took a knife on a full-size console, cut out a chunk, and delivered it to my door, and I love that. It's got the same hard material, the same buttons, all the same knobs that you would see on a full-size, and I love that about it. Everything is super sturdy right now. I haven't used it too much just yet. I have my 5 jog wheels up top, my 10 faders, and my master, my menu, and all my programming. I'm super excited about that, as having these things at my fingertips is going to make doing things that I do daily a lot easier, and I'm super excited about that. I do spend a lot of time programming. I do want to make more videos in that time programming, and that is the plan with this. So It's super rugged, guys. It comes with the rubber guard you see on the front, and I'm super happy about that. The super sturdy metal. On the back, we have our two universes, A and B, as well as our time code and our MIDI. That is all that comes with this. I do plan on using this console here for programming strictly for a while until I'm able to upgrade to a full size or a light. That is my goal, and then this one will end up out on the road. Right now, for programming, it doesn't matter, but later on, I do want to unlock more universes. I feel like the two that come with this is just not enough. Maybe for a small club or theaters, that might suffice, but 2 universes is not going to be big enough to effectively go on the road and do the cloning you need to do. So we will be upgrading to a node at some point. I haven't decided what node I want to move into. The 2 node just doesn't seem like enough. 4 universes still is a little light. And I just haven't decided on a bigger one yet. So that'll come soon as well too. I'm not sure if I want to build some sort of box with a computer in it and a GrandMA3 software with a touchscreen, or if I just want to do a touchscreen laptop setup. I haven't really decided yet. Right now, my goal with this is strictly for programming workflow and content creation, and that is what it'll be used for. We will decide later on down the road what we want to do with it at that time. But other than that, all the mechanics and all of the faders feel absolutely great. When I first got ready to plug this into my tower, GrandMA3 picked it up immediately. There was no software adjustments or figuring anything out. I could start working immediately, and I thought that was awesome. The price point is a little high, I do know that, and I do know it's a little harder to get your hands on these guys. I do appreciate everyone that reached out and helped me get one. It was a goal of mine for a while, and we finally made it happen. So I'm super excited to have it. We're going to take good care of it. I don't plan on anything going wrong with it internally. We're going to do our best to stay up to date, and I haven't decided whether or not I want to learn how to repair it myself or whether we will be using outside repairs, but hopefully that is something we don't have to worry about for a very long time. And with the quality of the product and how rugged everything is on the product, hopefully that is not an issue that we even needs to be on the radar. So other than that, guys, I am super excited to have it. We have the whole previs set up now. We're going to do some programming stuff. I have had a lot of requests for certain videos, and I'm excited to bring you guys those videos. I do have some other ones on the way, and we are going to go over some other stuff, all within GrandMA3. I think we are going to leave GrandMA2 in the past. I've been teaching some courses, and I've been doing other things, and it seems like the majority of what people are asking for is GrandMA3 right now. The transition is not hard. It doesn't need to be scary. A lot of people hesitate to get into 3, and I think it is an awesome software. I love using it, and I love learning about it, and I'm hoping to bring you guys some more great information on it. So, again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Super excited for the new pickup. Hope the video helped you guys any way possible, and I will talk to you again soon. Peace.